Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm continuing my monthly series, The Wigs I Wore. So we're going to look at some of the wigs I wore in February. You know, I can't show them all. We'd be here all day. But I'm going to show you 10 of the ones I wore in February. All of the wigs you'll see today are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them with my own funds or they were provided for previous reviews. So be sure, if you see one you like, to go over to Wig Studio One and look at it. Now, you know, this is not a wig review. I've already reviewed all these wigs. If you want, this is just an overview and showing you some of the ones I wore in the previous month. If you see one that you want to know more about, just go to the drop down box below this video and you will see a link to the full review that'll show you cap construction, outdoor lighting, everything you need to know. All that information will be in the drop down box below this video. Okay, let's get started and look at the wigs I wore in February. I hope you enjoyed some of those wigs that I wore in February. Please don't forget, follow me over on Instagram at CrazyWigLady. I also have a website, CrazyWigLife.com. I have my wigs that I review there for sale sometimes, my personal collection, so be sure to check that out at CrazyWigLife.com. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining me. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.